In this video, I want to show you a new way of holding a book. What I've done in the past is put my phone on it, put the TV remote, whatever heavy weight to hold the pages open as I work along this side. And I'll show you this book too. It's a shadow fold that I did. I won't go into detail about the actual folding of this book. You can check my other video with David Bowie so that you can see how I created this image, but I'll show you what this is. What I want to show you in this video is a stand that I now make and I do have available for sale if you're interested, to help make book folding a little easier. First, I'll show you the book. Here is Good Old Jack, and again, it's a shadow fold. If you look at the cross section of it, this is where I've added cardstock to it with all the folds, and I do glue in my cardstock because I don't want it to slide out. I don't tape it. I think it takes a little too long. I use art glitter glue to hold in the cardstock. It's a shadow fold by skipping every other page. This is the folded page, and then this is the skip page. You could certainly do the cut and fold method where you're not skipping a page, but the shadow fold is created by skipping a page. And you certainly don't have to color it, but it does bring out the image a little better by adding the cardstock to it. And you do need to make sure that the cardstock is all the way to the edge here, flush with everything else. If you don't, then you're really not going to be able to see the cardstock if you have tabs sticking out. So this does have a 180 fold to make sure that it's the cardstock is visible. So what I wanted to show to you is this stand that I now have available for sale if you're interested. It's nice that it folds compact. This is how much footprint it takes. It's 12 by 12 and another inch or so here for the added length on the arm. Folds flat. What you do is just bring up the arms on here, and then it does have a couple of wing nuts on the side here that you can tighten just to make sure that this stays upright. So this is the position that it's in, and then the cool thing is right at the bottom I have the rod that you take and place through the holes here. I do have a couple of holes in the rods going up so that you can adjust if you need to have the rod a little higher for a book that's a little wider, so you can set it up here. This is a finished piece, so it's stained and sealed. I will have it available where it's just a natural color, or if you want, I can seal yours as well. But the way this works is, let's say you're on this page here, you don't need something to hold it down. You can just work on the pages, and then as you move along, you just slide it under the bar. Now, if you're, let's say, all the way down here towards the end, and this is kind of making it hard to work because it doesn't give as much, what you can do is you can add something behind it right at the bottom on the base itself, right behind the book, so that it's not kind of pulling. It shouldn't be a problem. You can skip that, but if you choose to, you can put something right behind it. I just decided not to add one more thing to keep the cost as low as possible. For this, you work on it here, and then this holds the pages back. And then when you're done with it, you just take this out and loosen this slightly, and this folds down, and then flip it over and store your rod there. This doesn't take up a lot of space, and you can put it away when you're not working with it. The stand, even whether it's stained or not, it will have variations in color because of natural wood, sort of the formations in the wood, so there'll be some of that. But I did add a couple of cork feet to it so that it won't scratch your furniture. And then again, this is just an easy way to store this so you don't lose it. I do have a link below. You can email me, message me. You can join the Facebook group and message me through there as well, whatever you would like, for more information on purchasing one of these. And again, I can do it either stained and sealed like this color, or if you prefer just to have it the natural wood, I can do that as well. So this is I'm excited about using this going forward with my book folding. I think it'll make it a lot easier, and my phone isn't gonna be slipping as I keep working on the pages. Thanks so much for watching. Happy folding. If you have any questions, comment below. See you in the next project.